How to add a thumbnail. Downloaded Studio app from Play Store. Click this pen icon. Here you are given some choices. You can see I picked this one. If you want to select a custom thumbnail, click here. Here you can choose whatever picture you like. This is the thumbnail I made for this video. I will leave the link of video if you like. Rate this thumbnail from 1 to 7. Here's a really amazing thing. Once you select a video, you can zoom in and adjust the thumbnail. Amazing, isn't it? You can have face or feet on your thumbnail. Choice is yours.